everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Lego bow and arrow which actually works. Now let's get started with the build. So these are the pieces that we will need for this build. Now let's get started with the arrow. So first we can take this cone shaped piece and this very long axle. Try to find the longest axle that you have because it will improve the quality of the bow because you can pull back more. So do this 4 times like this and like this. Now we can move on to the bow. So first we can take this red piece like this, attach these small axles into the slots over here like this, and then we can get these gray pieces and make the shape of the bow. So now it's going to look like a bow. We can add these 3 connector pieces over here and over here, and then we can put this rubber band. For the rubber band, I recommend you to use very fat rubber band. Don't use like this thin, and use one that's like medium size, not too small or not too long. So we can attach the rubber band like this, and then attach these 2 top parts, gray pieces over here. Make sure nothing comes out, the connector piece doesn't stick out on the side, and push it like this, and do the same on the other side like this. And then now we can put the rubber band in the middle over here and over here like this. And then now to fire, you can put the arrow in here, pull this a bit up, and then you see this the rubber band, it's supposed to be in this position, and then hold it, and then like this. Make sure it's like connected together almost, and then like this, and shoot. And then you have 4 reloads, and then you can just take these with you and keep on shooting. And after a while, I also recommend you to change the rubber band because the tension in the rubber bands will decrease, so it won't give that much strength. Thank you everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.